Hello guys, good morning. This is Mami Doclus TV. Oo. Second day na lumabas ako. I'm on my way going to my clinic in Kidapawan City. Oo. So I'm traveling right now. I'm hooked up with the traffic jam. 8:51, 9, 10, 11, mga 11 o'clock ang arrival nato sa ano. So, back to duty yung mami niyo. Pero ano pa lang, just trial. Kung kaya ko na bang mag-duty ng kasi hindi pa, ko lang, ka-regain ko lang ng breathing ko na maayos. Anyway, still I have my true CI. Hindi pa talaga siya. May true CI pa ako ng konti. So guys, nagsasalon ako kahapon. So this is the result of my hair. Travel ulit ang mami niyo. Pero I have to do it only in Mindanao area. Suspended muna yung aking Visayas, and also I cannot fly to Hong Kong to join the Fans Day of Mix Molino. I'm sorry guys. Hindi talaga ako pwedeng maglabas muna ng ibang bansa. Prohibited ako ng aking cardiologist. Hindi siya pumayag na mag-travel ako outside the country. So I have to confine first here in the Philippines. So next time na lang aking mga kiddos in Hong Kong. I'm so sorry. Your mom cannot join you on the Fans Day. Although I have already my reservation, my tickets, but I cannot fly because I am prohibited by my doctor, my cardiologist. Bawal sa akin mag-travel ng malayo. At saka yung pressure, hindi ako pwede ng mahabang flight kasi yung air pressure, it hampers my heart. So, bawal sa akin. So, yun. So, I'm sorry. Your mom cannot join you guys. But anyway, some of my colleagues, sila Glo sa GMA, they will fly together with my nieces, they will go to to join the Fans Day of Mix Molino on my behalf. Andun ang pamangkin ko at saka staff. I asked them to fly. So yun, ako lang ang hindi makasama doon sa trip. So pasensya na muna kasi nagpagaling pa talaga ang mami nyo. Bawal sa akin talaga ang sobrang pressure. So hindi ako pwedeng sasakay ng mahabang oras sa eroplano because of the air pressure. Yung heart fraction ko is not normal yet. So hindi pa ako pwedeng magsakay ng eroplano ngayon ng mahabang oras. So guys, this is your Mami Doc. I'll just give my update. At saka regards to all my kiddos in entire world, my Limino community, and also buddy, I know you're too busy doing your tipping and shooting of your TV series in Netflix. Talaga nag-enjoy ka ngayon ng iyong nag-enjoy ka ngayon sa iyong bagong TV series. Ano pa naman, maganda pa naman ang yung sa As the Stars, nasa sila, exploration in the other outer space. Oh, so every day they are doing tapings, no? Kapagod. So yun, at saka yung aking adopted son at saka Tatay Jet, although that I promised that I have to fly to Hong Kong and join the group, but I cannot make it because of my health problem. So I'm sorry. Maybe if I am already well, I can go with the group. Oo. Pero sa ngayon, hindi pa pwede. So yung mami nyo, big off muna ako ngayon sa mga public appearance. Joining big groups kasi bawal ako talaga ma-expose because of my immune system is too low. So guys, this is your mom. I love you all. Although I'm not with the pero yung puso ko nandyan. Oh. So just enjoy it. Sa ngayon hindi pa makapag-join ang mami niyo because priority ko ngayon yung health ko. So bye-bye for now. I love you all. This is your Mommy Doc. Good morning to everyone.